Two completely different nail art looks, one brush. The long liner nail art brush can do a lot more than most people realize. I'll show you two designs that look advanced, but are more achievable than they look.
Once you've completed your nail prep, base coat and optional builder gel, you're ready to add nail art. Tap the information icon in the top right to watch our full application tutorial and see these steps in detail. For these designs, I've used clear base coat and bare builder gel. Let's start with the plaid design. Apply 1 to 2 thin coats of French kiss. Cap the free edge and leave a small gap at the cuticles. Cure each coat for 60 seconds.
Wipe away the sticky inhibition layer using a lint-free wipe moistened with gel nail polish remover or a pure acetone wipe. Using a dozen roses and your long liner brush, paint a line up your nail, then across at the tip. Reload the brush and carefully retrace the line if needed. Cure for 10 seconds. Using Morning Glory, paint a line up your nail, then across at the bottom. Anchor your pinky against the table or your hand for a steadier stroke and smoother lines. Cure for 10 seconds. Using Matcha, paint a line up your nail, then just above your previous line at the bottom. Work in small controlled strokes to build a clean, precise line. Cure for 10 seconds. Using Vintage Rose, paint a line below and above a dozen roses. Cure for 10 seconds. Using Kiss Me, paint a line up your nail and across above Matcha. Move your anchor finger as needed for differently placed strokes. Cure for 10 seconds. Apply a thin coat of top coat and cap the free edge. Cure for 60 seconds. That's the Plaid done. Now for something completely different. Same brush, totally different result.
Next is the velvet rib design. Apply a thin coat of velvet Mocha, leaving it uncured. Make sure to leave a gap around your cuticles.
Hover the larger strong velvet magnet around the edges of your nail to lift the glitter. Keeping it attached to the other smaller magnet makes it easier to hold. You're working around the perimeter, not straight over the top. This is what creates that deep, even velvet finish across the whole nail. Cure for 60 seconds. Apply a thin coat of matte top coat and cap the free edge. Cure for 60 seconds. Using your long liner brush and clear builder gel, carefully paint thin lines down your nail, keeping them close together. Take your time, these lines are what give the ribbed effect its structure. Cure for 60 seconds. Wipe away the sticky inhibition layer using a lint-free wipe moistened with gel nail polish remover or a pure acetone wipe. Apply cuticle oil and work it into your cuticles. This is what makes the whole manicure look finished. 2 designs, 1 brush. Subscribe to keep up with our latest tutorials. See you next time!